Dear His Lordship, Mr. Stephen Lecturer, Mr. Banerjee and Sikkim Batches, President of the Board, Mr. Pakyong, Father Dean of Northeast Seminary, Father Victor Fernandez, Dean of Seminary and Principal of St. Augustine School, California. He was in Sydney years ago actually. Dear fathers, one of the senior most, I can see Father Derek, Father Michael, Father Protas, Father Marcelino, my brother Father John, dear sisters and other fathers, my community members, Father John Bosco, Father Paul, Cabo. Dear sisters, I can see Sister Jackie. When I was very small in the month, she was there teaching and she has come all the way from Martha. Thank you very much, sister, for coming. My childhood days, I am remembering after seeing you. Sister Sally, Principal of Holy Cross, sisters from St. Montessori School, Sister Jemma, with whom I worked. She was here. I worked for 4 or 5 years. She was here as a primary in charge, primary head. Our neighboring community members, Sister Cornelia from Carmel, Sister Michelle and other sisters. I see my former teachers, our former teachers here, Emma Ma'am, Masan Sir, and the other workers. Mom and is here, Mary is here, the uncle is here. Then former students, Venus Dadu is here, Venus Dadu's elder brother is also here. Some of my former students. My family members, with my mama and my brothers, sisters, my uncle, and my teachers and their students. I've written here so that I don't go out of the way, just to limit myself. I never imagined I would be celebrating my Silver Jubilee of priestly ordination. It has been 25 years of God's faithfulness rather than mine. I say, God has been more faithful to me than I have become faithful to God. He is always. I live in His faithfulness. Time has moved on so fast, I feel I was ordained just the other day. Priesthood is not a bed of roses, please students, remember. I have gone through both moments of satisfactions and doubts, of joy and pain, tensions and tranquility, challenges and fulfillments. In spite of all this, I can say in my 25 years of priesthood, I feel God has been constantly telling me through Prophet Isaiah, chapter 41, verse 10, I quote, God has been always telling me, fear not, for I am with you, be not dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you, I will help you, I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. My jubilee message says, just be thankful to God and have confidence in Him. Be thankful to God and have confidence in Him. While introducing the Mass, Bishop Paul said, Jubilee, according to the Bible and for us, Jubilee is a time to thank and time to forgive. So, I feel I will do both. I will thank and I will forgive by giving thanks to so many people who came across my path and who made my Christian life a joyful one. So in my thanksgiving also lies my pardon from your side. I wish to thank those who made the celebration of 25 years of priestly ordination such joyful and faithful occasion. From August 3rd, I have been celebrating, and today has been really meaningful. I have no words to thank all of you who are involved. I thank Mr. Stephen for offering the Mass of Thanksgiving on 3rd August in Pakyong and today. You have been a very supportive and understanding Mr. for me. Needless to say that I have received praises and reprimands from you. But all of this have served to sustain my priesthood till this day. I am thankful for your support, fraternity, and friendship. I am also very thankful to my brother priests here who are present and all over the diocese. Especially all those priests who who joined me in thanking God on 3rd August and also today. I thank you, dear fathers, for your friendship and priestly fraternity. Your great gift of priesthood has sustained me in my priestly ministry, and I am deeply thankful for it. When I see myself in trouble, in times of pain, I see all my father, all the other priests. Your gift of priesthood also has sustained me. Thank you very much for being priest for me. I want to thank my family, especially my Nana, even at this old age, coming everywhere. And my brothers and sisters and bodies and spouses. You are so supportive. You are ever supporting me for my Christian ministry, and you are always helping me to sustain this greatest gift of priesthood that I have received from God. My family members, they are with me in good times and bad times. That is the beauty of having a large family, as Bishop said. We are 10 together, 6 boys and 4 girls. The beauty of having a great family. We all 10 are still in this earth. So that is the beauty. We were in our family, having such a big family, we may be different in many ways. My brothers and sisters and all this, we may be different in many ways, but we are united by our unwavering faith in Jesus Christ. That is the beauty of my family, I see. We have a great faith in Jesus Christ. Jesus is the center of our family that has held us together. Though there may be some misunderstandings, but there has never been any great thing in my family. Only the factor that unites us is one faith, one baptism. That is our one faith in Jesus Christ. Thank you all of you for being present here. I would like to thank my dear teachers here. My dear teachers, thank you, dear teachers, for being fellow travelers in the journey of my priesthood in St. Didiers. You have been also helping me in my priesthood. By many ways, you have been good. This is what you have been co-travelers with me. By being good, you have been very understanding. You have been patient. At times I am so impatient. I want things to be done like instant coffee, but you have been bearing up with me. You have been good, you have been understanding, you have been patient, you have been supportive, at times correcting also. You have been correcting me, and above all, you have been very loving to me. Thank you, dear teachers. I wish to thank all here, those are here and in primary also. A big thanks to you for sacrificing your time to make this day a big success. You have all worked hard. Thank you, dear students. You are also co-travelers in the journey of my priesthood. Well, many of you were asking, students, you were asking, you were asking me, Father, what are you going to do after Jubilee? Some say, Father, you are going to become Bishop after Jubilee. My answer is simple. I will continue to be Father Francis. Okay? I will continue to be Father Francis. And I will continue to teach you at times little bit of reprimands. I will continue to do that, and I will continue to teach hymns. Okay? So this is what I am doing after my duty. St. John 1 the great one said, remember the past with gratitude. Leave the present with enthusiasm. Look forward to the future with confidence. As I look back on 25 years of priestly ministry, I am full of gratitude for all the gifts God has bestowed upon me. As I continue to live my priestly vocation, even after 25 years, I am still full of enthusiasm to serve God and His people in the church. And as I look forward to the years ahead, I am indeed full of confidence for the future. God is very good to me, that's why I am confident. Finally, how could we not help but be full of gratitude, enthusiasm, and confidence when God is at your side? Thank you very much, God bless.